Hi, are you new to trading and based in Nigeria? Or you probably just started trading and you're already losing a lot of money? Well, you are not alone, and you're definitely not the only one making these 7 mistakes. So in this video, I'm about to outline 7 mistakes that newbie traders make that will not let them be profitable. But before I continue, please kindly like, subscribe to my channel, and put on the notification bell just in case my videos pop up again. Without wasting of time, let me dive into it. The number 1 mistake that newbie traders make is trading without a plan. Yeah, why would you trade without a plan? Every professional trader that you see today had a plan. Yeah, they had a plan. They didn't just wake up in the morning and jump into buying and selling. But newbie traders today, they wake up in the morning and they just jump into a buy because the market is going up, or they probably just jump into a sell because the market is going down. Yeah, but you don't trade without a plan. Every professional trader had a plan. What are these plans? For example, you need to have an entry plan, an exit plan, and a goal, a daily goal. Yes, you need to have a daily goal. You need to know how much you are looking at risking for that day and how much you are looking at profiting for that day. This would help you. Number 2 mistake that they make is over leveraging. Yeah, a lot of newbie traders today, they want to make the money that Happy Forex has made in 1 month. They want to make the money that Kojo Forex, Jeffrey Benson, and others have made in 1 month or probably in 6 months. But it doesn't work that way. If you over leverage your account, you stand a very high chance of blowing that account. Yes, you stand a high chance of blowing the account. So do not over leverage your account. If you open one position, stay with that position, wait for it to hit your take profit, and then you take your profit. Go again the next day, go again the day after the next day, go again like that, without over leveraging your account. And then you see that you're making progress. Slowly, you're making progress. So do not over leverage your account, bro. Then the number 3 mistake that newbie traders make is not using stop loss. I have a question for you. Can you drive your car without brakes? Well, if you cannot drive your car without brakes, why do you think you can trade without stop loss? No matter how good your strategy is, every trade is a 50-50 chance. Yeah. No matter how good it is, every trade is a 50-50 chance. So, if every trade is a 50-50 chance, why do you want to trade without a stop loss? When you know that there is a 50-50 chance that the trade might go against you. So no matter what, always trade with stop loss. Remember to always put stop loss in your trade. So if the trade goes against you, it will hit your stop loss, and then you probably lose about 1 or 2% of your account. You are still very much alive in the trading market. You can probably take another trade right away or wait for another session before you take it. And then the number 4 mistake that they make is chasing signals. A lot of newbie traders today are chasing signals. They are probably in more than 10 random professional signal groups chasing signals. But can I tell you what? Chasing signals without the forest knowledge is like you setting out yourself for doom. Because every signal that every professional trader sends to you via their group, you should be able to know the why behind why that professional trader is telling you to buy or to sell. Every signal sent to you should synchronize with your strategy. It should control your strategy, bro. Yeah. So when a signal is sent when a signal is sent to you via the group, you want to go into your trading view. Look at why it was sent. Why that professional trader is saying you should buy, or why he's saying you should sell, and that will help you. And then number 5 mistake they make is emotional trading, bro. The Forex market is like Undertaker and WrestleMania. Yeah, it's as brutal as Undertaker and WrestleMania. When you set up an account today in SNES, for example, they will tell you that you stand a high chance of losing money. What does this mean? It means that in Forex there is high probability of losing money. So why do you want to be trading with emotions? Yeah, for example, newbie traders today, when they get into a trade, when they take a trade and they lose it, they want to revenge the trade. That's a killer, bro. Yeah, you don't want to be revenging trades. If you enter a trade right now and you lose it and it's on London station, bro, wait till New York session and then try to study why that trade went against you. It would help you a lot. That is a very common mistake that newbie traders make. They want to do revenge trading. That ends up blowing the entire account. So when you lose a trade, you want to take your time, calm, relax, and know why that trade went against you. And then as long as it is probably 1 or 2% of your account, you have no problem, bro. Remember that you can do everything right in trading and still lose money, and you can do everything wrong in trading and make money. So do not try to do revenge trading. And then number 6 mistake that they make is ignoring risk management. Yes, ignoring risk management. How can you possibly trade without applying risk? If you try to trade without applying risk, you have already set yourself for doom. No matter what, remember to apply your risk management. Among all the 5 mistakes that I've listed so far, this is one of the most important ones. Do not trade without managing your risk. If you have a $100 account, bro, remember to risk not more than 1 or 2% of the account. That will keep you in trading for a long time. Yes, because you can lose money today, lose money tomorrow, and probably make all the money back in trade this time, as long as you have a good risk to reward ratio. Yeah, you make the money back. And then the final mistake is most newbie traders, they think they can do it alone. They want to trade without mentors. They want to do without mentors. They don't want guidance. But can I tell you what, bro? Having a mentor that guides you through your trading journey will save you a lot of years of trials and errors. For example, something you should have probably been struggling with in 2 years, in 3 years, because of the help of a guardian, of a mentor, you probably know it or start being profitable within 6 months to 1 year. So you see, it is very important to have a guardian, a mentor, or a mentor. And that is why I'm here, to guide you through your day-to-day trade, your day-to-day forex trading, to become a profitable trader. Yeah, to become a profitable trader. So far, if you are finding this video interesting and educating, do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and share if you find it interesting. So once again, if you are serious about learning forex and you are tired of losing money, this is the time to stop making these mistakes that I just listed out. Well, if you are guilty of any of these mistakes that I just listed out, you can drop it in the comment section. Let's know how to go about it. And then if you really want to know if you really want to go about the forex journey and become profitable, you can check out my link in my description. You can check out the link in my description to join my mentorship program. Yes, join my mentorship program, and then I will guide you to become a profitable trader. Once again, do not forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and share if you find it interesting. Remember that in trading forex, strategy is success. Thank you.